Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And now that Friday is over and we head into the weekend here, want to get some things updated. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which played out perfectly today. And that states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $1.70-ish mark was an area of resistance. But then with the price gapping down below it, again, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what happened. The price tried to bounce up. You can see got rejected. And then spent pretty much all afternoon long creeping right below that level. So $1.70 is going to be public enemy number one headed into Monday. But this is also what makes for an interesting pattern because sure, the price never was able to get back above $1.70 this afternoon. But the other dynamic that was happening this afternoon was the price was slowly creeping upwards. Now, does that mean that for sure $1.70 is going to be broken next week? Absolutely not. There's no such thing as a guarantee or for sure. My point is it's at least a rational, it's at least a valid thought to have. I mean, case in point, if the price was just doing something like this and I'm sitting here saying, oh, it's looking like it might break $1.70, you'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is going down right now. But that's not the case here, right? The price is actually slowly creeping upwards. Again, a guarantee that $1.70 is going to be broken? No. Is it at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So watch $1.70 very closely. If that level can be broken, then you'll want to then watch the pink line quite closely, which is the very famous 200-period moving average. But one hurdle at a time, and like I said, first key hurdle is going to be $1.70. And then I already talked about that, but to just help kind of visualize that, let's get a little trend line into play there. And because that's technically a level of support, let's change that to green to represent support. So watch that level going forward. Like I said, that's just mimicking. That's kind of, helping visualize the fact that the price was slowly creeping upwards. So let's see if the price can stay above that trend line. And then who knows, maybe even get the break of $1.70. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.